Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our beloved lecturer. So today our group would love to present to you our knowledge about this one company that we visited on 22 December 2023. So as we all know, we were given an assignment to form a group and conduct a visit to a particular manufacturing company. We need to get information on the business and manufacturing activities that operate at the company. The purpose of the task is to show us the reality of factory environment, besides to get more information on how to produce a product through factory processes. So, before we go further into our presentation, I would love to introduce you about my group members. So first, you have me as your presenter, Muhammad Syahib bin Muhammad Tazri, and my fellow friends, Muhammad Zafran Hamzah bin Abdul Ghani, Muhammad Zari Sofi bin Hasrun Rizal, and Muhammad Irfan Haikal bin Siddiq. Okay, so for company overview, the company name is SIPRO Plastic Industries Sdn Berhad, and it located at 15 Jalan Jasmine, section Batu Beruntung 10, Batu Beruntung 48300, Rawang, Selangor. And as you can see here, the email that we put it, info@ciproplastic.com, and you also can get more information at their websites www.ciproplastic.com. So the number of the company as stated in this slide.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zafran Hamzah bin Abdul Ghani. Now I will talk about my slide, which is about product. Okay, the company has produced a lot of product. Some of them is car interior and exterior. For example, the car door handle and sun visor. Okay, next is polybox. Polybox mostly used by the bakery shop, which is mostly we can see the polybox in yellow shape, in yellow color. Sorry. Okay, next is stadium seat. The stadium seat also made of polybox, polymer, which has mixed with different type of material and go through certain process to get the product, to get the stadium seat. Okay, next I will talk about services. There are many service provided by the company, by the factory, such as car part assembly and robot painting. Okay, car part assembly, assembly all part which made by the factory, such as interior and exterior door handle. For interior, they assemble the sun visor in the car, and exterior, for example, is bonnet or exterior door handle. Okay, for robot painting, for robot painting, it is known as robot painting automation. This automated approach offers precision, efficiency, and consistency in the painting process, so that the painting will going perfectly. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifan, and today I would like to talk about the production process. So for this company, injection molding plays a big role on producing the plastic based products, which is the big economy for this company. So the purpose of the injection molding process is to inject the molten plastic material into a mold cavity. Hence, the molten plastic will be able to change its desired shape easily, and then the process will allow the molten plastic to cool down and solidifies in a short period of time. Okay, so enter to the next session, which is the injection molding design concept. So this is the injection molding design concept that is used by this company. So first of all, the machine has consists of two parts, which is the injection unit and the clamping unit. The plastic will enter the feeding hopper, and the electric motor will generate the heat. Hence, the heater will increase the temperature inside the cylinder rod area to molten the entered plastic. Then, entering the clamping unit, the molten plastic will pass through the fixed platen and the mold punch and cavity machine will raising the external shape of the product. Then the moving platen will place the plastic molten to the hydraulic cylinder. The hydraulic cylinder used in various purposes such as making sides, core pulse ejection, reverse ejection, and others. Before finally the mold plastic will be cooled down and solidifies them.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Sofi bin Nasarizad, and I will be continuing the presentation in the bloom phase and production process section. So as we all know, any production process always have their own problems that occurs and needs to be fixed. Specifically, SIPRO plastic industry facing the same problem in plastic production process, especially that involves in injection molding. There are four common problems faced, which is the first one is the incomplete filling of the mold. The second is bubbles and voids. The third one is jetting, and the last one is material degradation. So, for the incomplete filling of the mold, injection molding refers to a situation where the molten plastic material does not completely fill the entire cavity of the mold during the injection molding process. This can lead to incomplete or partially formed plastic parts and is considered a defect in the manufacturing process. Uh, One of the reasons this problem happens because it is insufficient injection pressure. Then the other one is poor mold design, and the last one is venting issues. So for the next problem is bubbles and voids. So bubbles and voids in injection molding refer to the presence of air pockets or empty spaces within the molded plastic part. These defects can compromise the structural integrity, appearance, and functionality of the finished product. There are three reasons that usually make this problem happen during the production process, which is air trapping, material issues, and injection speed and pressure. The third one is the problem is jetting. So jetting in injection molding is a phenomenon where the molten plastic material shoots through the mold, creating streaks or lines on the surface of the final product. This defect can affect the appearance and quality of the molded parts. Jetting occurs when the molten plastic does not flow smoothly into the mold, causing a jet-like stream to form. So there are two possible reasons that occurs that make the jetting a problem occurs. So the first one is high melt viscosity, and the second is low mold temperature. So for the last one, for the last problem is material degradation. In the context of injection molding, refers to the undesirable changes in the physical and chemical properties of the plastic material being processed. These changes can occur during the injection molding process and may negatively impact the quality and performance of the final molded products. Material degradation can manifest in various ways, such as discoloration, reduced mechanical properties, increased brittleness, or the degeneration of unwanted byproducts. And these problems usually happens because of high melt temperature and material overheating. Okay. So for the next one is facilities. Okay. Uh, SIPRO plastic industry uses high technology facilities and equipments in order to produce the best quality of plastic. So there are four types of facilities that were situated in the SIPRO plastic industry, which is painting facility,
mold making facility, ultrasonic welding, and tampon printing. So for the painting facilities are dedicated to the application of paint or coatings on plastic products. The painting process is often a crucial step in enhancing the aesthetics, protection, and functionality of plastic parts. So for next for the mold making facilities is dedicated areas where molds for plastic parts are designed, manufactured, and maintained. The facilities play a crucial role in the injection molding process, as the quality and precision of molds directly impact the final quality of plastic products. Next, ultrasonic welding. So ultrasonic welding is a joining technique where the bonding thermoplastic components are bond together and involves the application of high frequency ultrasonic vibrations to the parts being joined, creating heat through friction and forming a strong molecular bond between them. This process is commonly employed in the assembly of plastic parts in various industries, including automotive, electronics, medical devices, and consumer goods. Pet printing, also known as tampon printing, is commonly used method for transferring a 2D image into 3D objects. This process is widely employed in the plastic industry for adding logos, labels, or other markings to various plastic products. So I guess that's all from me. Proceed to the next presenter. Thank you.
Before we go further onto our site visit, Encik Khairul, who was the safety officer at SIPRO Plastic Industries, give us some safety briefing, and we asked a lot of questions about safety at the company, and he categorized the risk to three categories, which is first rank A, or very high risk, that consists of falling object from high place, moving vehicle, electrical damage, and fire hazard. For middle rate or rank B, it consists of minor injuries such as cutting fingers or burnt skin, and last but not least, rank C, which is minor incident. They listed safety procedures at the company to prevent any major accidents. They strictly ask us to wear safety equipment such as safety boots and helmet. They also beware of moving vehicle such as forklift, trolley, and lorry. They have two lanes, which are one for moving vehicle and the other one for the sidewalk. As for 2023, there are 8 cases recorded of minor injury. So, we had this information from the company's HR itself, our group discussion, and from the company website at www.ciproplastic.com.